Hello students, welcome once again in online classes. In our previous lecture, I was telling you the use of subject verb agreement. Now some more rules related to subject verb agreement. See the next rule. When we have subject like something, anything, nothing, everything, these all subjects are counted as singular. That's why you will have to apply singular verb here. Means you have to use singular verb with singular subject and plural verb with plural subject. So something, anything, nothing, everything are counted as singular. That's why they will require singular verb. For example, nothing, blank missing, full stop, everything blank available. In these sentences, nothing and everything are singular subjects, so apply singular verb from is and are with them. Now, the next rule, some, few, more are known as plural. That's why you will have to apply plural verb with them. For example, I have got some books, but few blank still requirable. So apply is and are. Whatever the verb you find plural, apply here because some few more belong in the category of plurals. Now next, every, any, much, each, little, they are counted as singular, and that's why they require singular verb. For example, each blank has have to perform his duty. So apply whatever the singular verb here. Now next, some nouns look plurals but they are singular as news, physics, economics, maths, United States. Means some names of books, cities and countries, they look plural but they represent a single unit. That's why they are singular and that's why they require singular verb. For example, United States blank is are a developed country. United States is the name of a one particular country, so you will have to apply singular verb here. Now next rule. Some nouns look singular but they are plural. Some words we find that they are singular but still they are plural, like police, people, sheep, etc. That's why they require plural verb. So see exercise, police blank has have come to arrest the thief. So whatever singular you will have to apply here. Now see the next rule. Use singular verb after gerund. You know what is gerund? Gerund is a kind of verb that has ing form but they work as a noun in a sentence. You know, being a verb, it works as a noun. For example, walking, sleeping, laughing, etc. See the example, walking blank is are a good exercise. So walk, you know very well that walk is a verb and having ing. But here it is playing the role of a noun. That's why it is called gerund. And gerund has always singular verb with it. Now the next rule. If two nouns connected with of. If we find there are two nouns but they are connected with of, then you will have to apply verb according to the subject before of. जो भी सब्जेक्ट ऑफ से पहले होगा, यू विल हैव टू अप्लाई द वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए गार्लैंड ऑफ फ्लावर्स ब्लैंक इज आर lying here. So apply the verb according to the subject before of. Now you find that a garland means singular. That's why you will have to apply singular verb. Now next rule, some sentences starts with there. In such sentence, verb is used according to the subject आफ्टर ब्लैंक. यू नो, देयर वाले वाक्यों के अंदर जो ब्लैंक होता है, उस ब्लैंक के बाद वाले नाउन को देखो. वो नाउन अगर सिंगुलर है, यू विल हैव टू अप्लाई सिंगुलर वर्ब, एंड इफ इट इज़ प्लूरल, यू विल हैव टू अप्लाई प्लूरल वर्ब. सी द एक्सरसाइज. देयर ब्लैंक ए बॉय इन द क्लास. अप्लाई इज एंड आर. नाउ सी द सेकेंड वन. देयर ब्लैंक बुक्स ऑन द table. Now apply is and are. So in first one you will have to apply singular verb because there is a singular person after blank, and in second you will have to apply plural verb because there is a plural books. Now see the exercise and fill the blank or find the error, write the correct word, and click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. The first one, find error and write the correct word. Today's news are that someone. Now there is one error in this sentence. You will have to write and you will have to replace it with the correct word. Today's news are that someone were robbed by a gang of strong boys which have occupied the deserted road. Full stop. But nothing have been done to redress the situation. So in these sentences there are 4 incorrect words. You will have to find them and you will have to write correct word in place of them. Now see the second exercise. In this exercise you will have to fill the verb in blank part. The first one is every boy from the group blank have equal right. Now second one, children or mother blank were going to market. Now the third one, the director and manager blank are waiting for employees. And the fourth one, the poet and the dramatist blank were addressing people. So complete these exercise in your copy, click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.